If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. As you begin to create custom reports within QuickBooks, you can create memorized report groups to organize the memorized reports in a way that makes sense for your company. Memorized report groups let you quickly print or view a batch of memorized reports at once. For illustrative purposes, QuickBooks comes with a few preset memorized report groups that contain common reporting examples for each group. You can add your own memorized reports to these memorized report groups, or create your own groups. When you create a memorized report, note that you can click the checkbox for Save in Memorized Report Group and select the desired memorized report group to save it into from the adjacent drop-down field. To create a new memorized report group, select Reports, Memorized Reports, Memorized Report List from the menu bar. In the Memorized Report List window, click the Memorized Report button and select the New Group command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the name field of the new Memorized Report Group window, type a name for the new report group. Then click the OK button to have QuickBooks add this memorized report group to the list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.